Okay, so what we need to do is we need to make sure that we go to the Desmos and we have to cancel out what we've already done. So we're going to X and X to get this back to empty. And then we're going to type in Y equals, oops, and don't forget the negative. There's a negative here. So negative uh, x squared. Um, I forget what it is. What is it? Plus 8x minus 10. So plus 8x. That's the first one. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty. And then the second one, we have to look and we're going to write whatever is after the inequality. So that's still 0. So we're going to put 0 for our second one. So y equals 0. So here are our two. Now we want to make sure our colors match again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the gear, click my circle, and I need to change it back to purple. All right. I don't know why they change colors, but they do. So I'm looking at purple on purple. I'm going to see if I can move my head. Here we go. Okay. So now I'm looking at this, and the key and important pieces I'm just going to poke. So I am literally tapping. This is one. Here's another. Ew, that's ugly. Isn't it though? Oops. Move this down. Hold on. All right, here's my x-intercepts. Pew, pew. Look at me tap it so that you can see what they are. My vertex is up top. This is a maximum because it's a negative, so it's pointing down. And y-intercept, we got to scroll for this one, guys. Can we scroll? I don't know. Well, we know our y-intercept is 0, comma c, so that's all the way down at negative 10. I don't know how to scroll. Maybe zoom out. Oh, there we go. I hit zoom out. Here we go. Down here. 0, negative 10. So here's the interesting thing. So I'm on these, and these are my 4 points. So this is what I'm plotting. I'm plotting these 4 points on my paper. All right. So we're going to go and do that quick. So I need 0, negative 10. Oh gosh, here we go. Now you're going to do this much faster than I am. So I got to insert shapes. Just put them in. It's small. Small. Here we go. I got to get to 4 corners here. There we go. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to make paste. There's one. I need 4 of them. 2, 3. Here we go. And I'm just putting them where they need to go. So 0, negative 10. It's right here. I forget what the other ones are actually. 4, 6. I guess I'm just doing the easy ones first. Let's go to 4 up to 6. And then real quick, 1.551, so about 1.5, and 6.449, so about 6.5. So 1.5, 6.5. I'm estimating here. Okay. And it's a good idea to write these down now. See if we can do this. 1 point, what was it? 551. And oh, that didn't work so well. 6.449. right, y-intercept we got was 0. Oops. -10. And, oops, what's going on here? There we go. And my vertex is 4,6. So these are all done and on my things, and I got that right from my Desmos. Now I'm gonna do my shape. I'm drawing this thing. I want it blue this time. And let me get my scribble on. Ready? And see how horrible I am at this. All right. And then I'm going to make it thicker. Again, you with a pencil, so much better than mine. That looks pretty good. And then, of course, the 0. Let's go back to Desmos super quick and look. Do you see how 0 is the other purple one? It's going straight through, so we want to make sure that we have that on ours as well. So I need a line right through 0. Right here. Boom. And make it thick. There we go. Okay, so that's the Desmos part. Now we're doing solutions. Go to our inequality. Our inequality says we have a greater than or equal to. So because it's greater than or equal to, I'm looking to go above. So I am changing colors. Guess we'll do, what color? Ew. Orange. No, that's not what I want. My fault. Okay, so now I'm going to do above, and it says greater than. So above the line is here. So I'm shading all this above the line, and it loops, remember? And when we loop, we connect. So there we are, and we connect. I also am going to just change this to orange. Okay, so there we are. So above it looped, and when it loops, we connect it. So that means that we've got one piece on the number line. One piece. See the number line? We're doing one piece. And it basically goes from my 1.551 to my 6.449, and it's in between. Okay, so I need to go, good grief, here we are. Let's scribble. And we're going to go to 1.449. And this is a closed circle, so this will be interesting if I can do this. There we go. Shape fill. Let's do orange. Boom. Awesome. And 6.449. Going here. 6.449. It's about 6.5. And orange. And I want to shade between because this loops and we complete the loop and we shade between. So between these dots is right here. I'm going to shape outline. I'm going to make it fat. And there's my number line. That's what it looks like between 1.5 and 6.5. Solutions literally start at 1.551. We need a less than or equal to. I don't know if I can do that. Let's see if I can. I'm getting creative now. Oh, there we go. X less than or equal to, let me put it in. Oops. And what is it? 6.449. Oh, hold on. This is tricky. There we go. And there is underlines on this. See if I can show you. Oh. There we go. And there's your answer. So this is everything. This is all we had to do. We did Desmos, we found the points, we plotted them, we sketched it. We wanted greater than or equal to, so we wanted above. When it loops, you connect them, it becomes one piece, and then you write it as one big long inequality with x in the middle, signs always going to the left. And because it's an equal to, we have an equal to here. Okay? Because we have an equal to, we have an equal to here. And these are less than or equal to's. When you have an in-betweeny, when you've got a loop, you always have less than or equal to's or less thans. Okay? So that's it. I'm going to do one more with you, and then I'm pretty sure you've got it by now. All right? So move to the next slide, and let's see the last one.